you held down the fort here last year,
Yes.
I think, and Ryan and I were in Auburn at Shaw's together.
We had a great time.
It was a really good time. I think a lot of us were nervous because normally we do this on Saturday morning,
Right.
and we changed it last year to Thursday night, and I was impressed by the amount of people who still came out on a Thursday.
Yeah, same here.
The day didn't matter.
You might remember there was actually a little snow around Auburn that day. It was
Yes.
cold, so that was one of our concerns too. Like, would people brave the elements to come out? And they did, as they always do.
Yes. Early December is always a little dicey.
Always a little dicey.
What's going to happen outside?
Yeah, and ironically, last November was not very cold.
Right.
That was one of our first really cold days of the season. That kind
You're
of
right.
set the tone for the whole event.
You're
So,
right. It was pretty windy at my place yesterday and today.
Sure was. And we're going to get a break from that. So if you're somebody like me who likes to get outside and get a little fresh air, I think tomorrow and Thursday will be a little bit better for that. We will still have some sunshine, but there will be less wind both of those days. A few showers are possible on Friday, but this just doesn't look like a big system as it stands right now. And then the weekend, more of the same. Really similar temperatures, similar sky conditions, not much different than what we've been experiencing through this week. 37 right now in Bangor, 41 in Portland. We're in the 20s to around 30 up north. Here are the current wind speeds. Still a little breezy, but a far cry from what we had 4 or 5 hours ago. That said, wind chill still a factor. Feels like 28 in Waterville, 31 in Bangor, and 38 the wind chill right now in Portsmouth. South of the mountains today, we had a lot of sunshine. In the mountains, however, that gusty breeze helping generate some clouds as the air gets lifted up over the mountains. That will start to change tomorrow as high pressure moves in. We'll have drier air, more sunshine for everyone. And even though there's a storm system down here, it goes to our south. We're not going to have to worry about it at all. So 8 o'clock tonight, temperatures dropping into the low 30s, the wind continuing to ease up a little bit. And once that wind lightens up, the temperatures really do drop by tomorrow morning. Low of 26 in Portland, 24 in Bangor, and 20 degrees the low temperature tomorrow morning in Freiburg. Lots of sunshine on the way tomorrow, and honestly, the temperature is very similar to today, but it probably feels a little bit better because the wind speeds will be down quite a bit. 44 the high tomorrow in Portland, 42 in Bangor, and a little bit milder, still on the chilly side, but milder than today in the mountains and up north where you'll have more sunshine. The clouds that we had in the mountains today will not be as numerous tomorrow. Thursday looks nice. High pressure is right overhead, so that means calm winds on Thursday as well. Temperatures in the lower to mid 40s. And then for Friday, there's a very weak frontal system that comes in from the west, but it just doesn't look like much. There is a system offshore, and had these joined together, we would have had more widespread precipitation. Instead, it just looks like some showers that come through, with the best chance being in the foothills and mountains. If they come in early enough, might be cold enough for a few snowflakes, but I don't think it's all that much to worry about. And farther south, just a sprinkle or passing shower. Then we get this out of here for the weekend. Another area of high pressure builds in, and it looks nice for both Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures in the 30s up north, 40s to the south, so more of the same weather that we've been experiencing much of these last several days. On the water tomorrow, seas 1 to 2 feet, much calmer with a northwest wind 5 to 10 knots. That small craft advisory only up through this evening. Sunny with less wind tomorrow, low to mid 40s, a mix of sun and clouds on Thursday. And then Friday, it's mostly cloudy with maybe a few showers, but I really think most areas on Friday, it's not raining or flaking much at all. Then for the weekend, looks good. Sun and clouds on Sunday after we clear out on Saturday. Maybe a flurry or sprinkle on Monday, but you see there's an absence of big storms or big temperature changes. It's just kind of similar every day.
Okay, taking a little break.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.